today let me give you a sneak view of my place in the village where I do stay. We decided to reside in the rural areas because of our love for nature and my love for farming. We do farm, yes, we farm chicken, mostly the ones which do produce eggs for us, and we do farm mostly the hybrid ones. We also do farming of cows, milk producing ones, and also the bulls. We also love connecting with nature. Personally, I love everything to do with the rural area, the nature, the clean environment, away from the noise in the town. So this is a tea bush. We reside in the highlands where we do coffee plantation and we also do tea plantation. This is a tea plantation, yes. And I'm in the middle just walking. I'm coming from a place to get a milk for my visitors who will be coming today from church, as we are going to have a fellowship at home. So why not cook some tea for them? Okay, my cows, right now I don't have any cow which is producing milk. The one which I had, it got some complications by the end of last year, December, and we decided to sell it out. And currently the one which we are having, it's still young. It has not yet given birth, but yeah, very soon, maybe by the end of this year, it's going to be pregnant. And we also have some bulls. So for me, you can see it's just so calm being here in the village, walking in the middle of the path. No hooting of vehicles, no noise, just silence. It's so therapeutic sometimes being here in the village, in the calmness, clean environment, clean fresh air, no noise from vehicles, nothing. Right now, as you can see, I'm all alone. I think people right now are in their shambas, or maybe they're just resting as it's very sunny. That's the milk which I had gotten. It's in a kettle, 5 liters. The owner had just milked. In fact, they have milked when I'm right there. I had booked because if you don't book, they do sell to the Dairy Cooperative Society. So you must book earlier. So right now I'm almost to reach the main path, which is going to lead me direct to my home. So let me know, how do you feel about the rural life? Of course, I do know we cannot all fit here in the rural areas, especially maybe if you're working in a town or if you're working in a city. But I believe sometimes we can pay a visit to the rural areas and maybe just enjoy the calmness. Also, personally, I do farm chickens, so maybe if you need some eggs, you can tell me. I do delivery for you. It's just by the way. Yes, I also do horticultural farming. I farm greens of all types, vegetables, from the kienyeji ones to kales and all those ones. So you can see it's very sunny. It's quite sunny, oh my god. And yeah, I'm just counting my steps. So as for me, I know we all have different choices, and every person's choice is right and correct. So I won't say that the rural area that it's the best place to stay. I won't say so, because we cannot all fit here, as some people have to work in towns, some people have to work in the city, and also some of us have to be here in the village so that we may produce for you the milk, the vegetables that you're eating in the town, the eggs. Yeah, but personally, I just prefer being here, the calmness, getting everything direct from my shamba. Yeah, that's me anyway. So that's a coffee plantation. Finally, I'm home. Bye.